got couple shoes.
Bago yung menu, no?
Thank you. May tabi man din ka. RG yung ano?
RG? Kasama nila. RG, magandang name ni sir. RG yung
Ito na, sorry. Sila na lang mag-order sa kanila, ma.
Sila na lang mag-order sa kanila. Nagbay na kayo ng book sa Baguio.
Napunta na kayo?
Kami nakato.
For mama.
This is a beef gyudon with crab egg. This is exactly how I like it. Thank you.
Hindi mo naman naon.
Bar siguro yan.
Bahay siguro nila yan.
Bahar?
Bahay.
Bahar?
Tainuad.
No. It's October 16, 6:30. Andito kami sa Veranza. Tingin kami ng aircon kasi yung aircon namin nasira. Nasira siya dahil hindi namin siya napaklining. And we just learned that yung mga inverter ng mga aircon is mas sensitive sila sa mga dirt and dust. Kaya dapat meron talagang maintenance. So ngayon, we're trying to look for a replacement. Pwede naman maayos yung unit namin, but it would cost us like the same amount ng brand new one. So we decided to get a new unit na lang. But before that, andito kami sa Alea to get our dinner. Beef shawarma.
Tastes like moths.
Like?
Moths.
Moths.
Pero masarap.
Apple juice. We have teropo. Tiro pitika.
Supposedly, we have mga ito na jam. Sabi niya, peach.
Okay, aray ko. Cheese and ano sa isa?
Egg.
Egg? Purple man.
Ano?
Unusual food. That you look like Emma Stone? Yes. You totally look like her.
I get that a lot. When I was younger, it was Anne Hathaway. And you can't judge me now because I don't have any makeup on and my face is extremely.
Hello everyone, it's October 18. Time is 5:27 a.m. Katatapos ko lang mag-walk run dito sa SM. So umalis ako ng bahay around 4 a.m. Ganun talaga yung alisan ko kapag morning. Mas prefer ko morning na mag-walk and run. Gusto ko kasi salubungin yung sunrise. Andito ako sa SM. Kapag ako lang mag-isa, dito ako sa SM kasi mas malapit sa bahay. Pero kapag sabay kami ni Ronnie, yung gym niya kasi is katabi lang ng Robinsons. So doon ako sa Rob, umiikot-ikot. Nagstay ako for a while dito sa giant swing na playground ng SM. I'm not really sure kung i-upload ko na tong vlog later. Wala ako masyadong ganap this week. Try natin. Ayan, naka-knee support pala ako. Pinili ko lang to sa Shein. Masakit pa rin kasi yung knees ko and I think kailangan ko siya i-protect. But akala ko, isang pair itong nabili ko. Kaso isang peraso lang pala. And also may nagtatanong if I'm working on Central Time daw, paano ako nakaka-walk or run at 4 a.m. So, if I'm working on Central Time, usually, yung hour na yun, ginagawa kong lunch break. Or kung may kailangan naman, important deliverables, I can work from my phone naman. Meron naman akong connection. So, it's not really a big deal for me for as long as nagagawa ko naman yung task ko. And yung mga apps, softwares na sa phone ko rin naman. Connected rin sa phone ko. So, yeah. I don't have any plans for today. But it's a Friday, so let's see kung lalabas kami later. For the weekend naman, wala rin kaming plans. I am not sure. I will just check kasi meron kaming upcoming trip and I will check kung may kailangan bang bilhin. So I'll keep you updated. So I think I need to go na. Andiyan na yung araw. Ayan na siya. Andito yung naka-sunblock. So, come on. Kagigising ko lang from a supposedly afternoon nap para mag-12 midnight na. It's Saturday, October 19. And, yeah, magpe-prepare lang ako to go back to bed. So, ito, as you can see or you can notice sa mga previous videos or clips, nagpipil ako because nag-exfoliate ako in preparation for our upcoming trip. So, ini-stop ko na siya and hopefully this week, matapos na yung peeling ko. And, yeah. Di naman siya gaano na ngayon. Parang recovering na siya. So, mag-nighttime skincare lang ako. Supposed to go out kanina. Lumabas kami, nag-morning walk and run. Tapos nag-gym si Ronnie. And then, after that, pag-uwi namin, dumaan pa pala kami kila mama sa kabilang bahay. And then, after that, we plan to go out. Maliligo lang sana kami. But then, in-install kasi yung aircon. Tapos, nakatulog ako. Wala pa kasi akong tulog from Central Time na duty. So, yun. Tomorrow na lang yung lakad. So, I'm planning to close this vlog after my skincare. Para tomorrow, iba na lang yun. Hindi ko alam. Feeling ko and tomorrow, ita-try ko rin pala pa-color ng hair. As you can see, yung hair ko, parang may brown part, light brown part, and ito yung natural hair ko na talaga. Galing kasi ito ng bleach, and then gusto ko nang magpa-dark. Tapos sabi sa salon, baka pag nagpa-black daw ako, mahirapan ako magpa-color again if gusto ko. So, parang dinark brown na lang nila. But then, after, I think almost a year, nag-light na siya. And ito na nga, ito yung aking natural hair. So, try natin yan isiksik sa schedule natin tomorrow, or if not, this coming week. And I think that's it for this vlog. I will see you again on my next. Please consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Follow me on my socials for updates. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!